Hello Philippines and hello world! Miss Michelle D. Abay may mga pagsisiwalat patungkol nga dito kay Miss Universe Representative Miss Thailand 2023 kung paano nga ba yung kanilang naging relationship dito po sa nasabing event. Ang lahat ng yan, but before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Hanggang sa ngayon nga ay patuloy pa rin ang pag-aantay ng maraming mga Pinoy sa tamang eksplanasyon patungkol sa mga anomalyang nangyayari dito po sa Miss Universe Philippines 2023. But despite sa lahat ng mga issue na kinabibilangan nga nitong itong anomalya na nangyari sa Miss U, ay nananatili pa rin yung pagkakaibigan na namuo between Michelle D, Miss Universe Philippines, and Miss Antonia Porslid ng Miss Thailand, no? Yung Miss Universe Thailand. So, para po maunawaan natin ang kanilang pagkakaibigan, panoorin natin ang booking ng ito.
I remember Miss Philippines. She welcomed everyone except me. Wrong. That is a lie because she was nowhere to be seen. And then out of nowhere, this girl walks with her sunglasses on inside. It's not even sunny inside, by the way. Who wears sunglasses inside? This is like the first day. She just walks in with her supervisor. And then I try to smile at her and she just goes.
That is not true. The first time I ever saw Antonia was when she was fitting her Clarice dresses. And then I think we were all pretty stressed out trying to accomplish all of those lists where I was just like, oh, I was like, oh, hi Michelle. You did not. You were like, hi.
No. I was like, Miss Philippines, hi. And she was like, oh, hi.
No, she was like, and I clearly remember somebody was helping you zip up your dress and you were just like, oh, hi.
At least I got out of my way in a very stressful time.
Actually, you were blocking my way. I couldn't dress up.
No, because you were not getting dressed.
I was entering the dressing room.
No, you were not. You were ticking off your box.
I love how this live started where we were like, now we're just going at it.
It's like when you ask a couple how they met and the stories are completely different.
But don't you guys agree? She was like the owner of the hotel greeting everyone.
Yeah,
and she doesn't greet Miss Philippines.
Because Miss Philippines was nowhere to be seen.
Excuse me, I was right there.
No, you were not.
Yeah, I was.
No, because I was looking for you because you commented on my picture. You're like, can't wait to meet you.
I was following Antonia right after she won, and it took her so long before she actually noticed. And I'm like, what a snob.
Me. That is not true.
Who followed who first?
Well, you followed me first.
Exactly. First move.
Oh, actually, I have something to tell you, but I'll tell you later.
I feel worst. When the whole mommy daddy thing started, I was like,
my daddy. She was like, why do I have to be daddy? I was like, I don't want to be calling anybody daddy, actually. Thank you.
Is it because my surname is D? But that is cute.
Si Miss Antonia Porslid man ang ipinalit doon po sa top 5 na sinabi po nila na pagkakamali na naipost po nila na dapat ay nandun sa spot ni Miss Michelle D, ay hindi pa rin naman nagbago ang trato ni Miss Michelle D dito kay Miss Thailand. Kasi gano'n naman talaga ang Pinoy eh. We are really friendly. 'Di ba? Napaka-friendly po natin. At nagkabukingan nga sila na sa unang pagkikita nila, talagang snob daw di umano itong si Miss Michelle D. At pinatunayan po nila na hindi naapektuhan ng anumang issue yung kanilang nabuong pagkakaibigan. So, despite of that, marami pa rin po mga Pinoy fans ang talagang hindi pa rin po talaga matahimik at sumisigaw na magkaroon daw di umano ng boycott, no? Ipatigil daw di umano muna ang pagpapadala ng representative para po dito sa Miss Universe 2024. Sabi po ng ilang mga Pinoy fans na nananawagan na i-boycott nga ang nasabing prestigious event. Pero sa ngayon ay talagang buo na po ang desisyon, no, ng mga Miss U organizer na wala na pong magbabago sa result. And this time, andito naman po ang ilan sa mga komento po ninyo patungkol po sa ating last update. Magre-react po tayo sa inyong mga komento. Unahin po natin para marinig natin ang inyong mga saloobin. Sabi po ni Erlinda Bitar, sabi niya dapat our president should question them how this owner CEO he humiliated our Miss Universe he don't did this. Yan. So, dapat daw pakialaman na ng presidente, no, yung pamamahiyang ginawa nitong si Jack Rajatutip kay Miss Michelle D dun po sa kanilang TV guesting sa Mexico. Sabi rin ni Lara Smith, bastos yung baklang yan. Papaano naging CEO ng prestigious na Miss U yan? No manners in front of the whole universe. Grabbing Miss D by the arm just to speak Thai in front of the camera to say his message of moving on. Bastos yung baklang yan Abroad, if you speak your native language in the company of a foreign person, that is an utmost disrespect and you need to apologize. The tactless gate CEO, also President Thailand. Tama naman, di ba? Correspondence, you just shown the world how disrespecting your Thai race is that even your Thai race corresponds collaborate and agree with you. You tactless gay should move out of that prestigious beauty pageant. Not only you are a big fake, you are a big bully as well. You're tarnish the good reputation of the pageantry. True. Dapat naman po talaga makialam na rin po ang gobyerno ng Mexico patungkol dun sa pamamahiya. Tama naman po yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Shi dito na kabastusan, nahihilain mo, no? Parang, lika rito, makinig ka dun sa sasabihin ko. Parang, hihilain mo yung tao para iparinig mo yung mga hindi kagandahang salita. Diba, nakita naman natin na medyo awkward sa pakiramdam ni Miss Michelle D yung ginawa nitong si Aklang Jutatip, diba? So, dapat lang po talagang makialam na ang gobyerno. Sabi ni House of Hope Tita, not only MMD, our beloved country, don't deserve this. We have unity in every ways. Yes, Thai is a very unprofessional. She knows English. Why she talk Thai? Tama, 'di ba? Nandun English yung sabi nga po ng isang commentator natin na sa mga lahi, kapag nagsalita ka ng hindi nauunawaan ng mga kasama mo, that is really disrespectful. Kailangan mauunawaan niya para naman di niya maramdaman na awkward, 'di ba? And Miss Ednam Olivaros, katapusan na ni Badingding Antonio. Lulubog Miss Universe Organization, bankarote is coming. Ayan, totoo po ito sapagkat nagdeklara na po na this month of November 2023, nagdeklara na po si Miss Jack Rajatutip na siyang bumili at nag-franchise nitong Miss Universe na for so long siya yung bumili niyan at dinaklara niya na ang JKN Global ay bankrupt na po. So, kapag po nagtuloy-tuloy yan at hindi na po nakabawi ito pong kumpanya na ito, maaaring ma-cancel ang Miss Universe 2024 kapag wala po sila mga investors or any sponsors na makukuha para po ituloy ito pong prestigious event. Kasi hindi naman po 1,000 lang yan billions po ang ginagastos po nila every event plus yung mga ginagastos pa po nilang binibigay sa mga nananalo. So, kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag mo kalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe, at i-follow mo na rin ang aking Facebook page, Dareds TV. And also, I have my TikTok account, which is Dareds TV. Pwede nyo rin po akong i-follow doon. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless everyone!